Today I want to talk to you about Inkerma's laser distance meter that I just picked up. This guy is going to work great for giving me square footage is what I'm looking for. It'll also do volume. It'll do continuous measurement, which is pretty neat. It'll do single measurement. It does all kinds of different measurements. I'm going to use it for square footage, but this is going to be a really nice tool to have inside of my quiver. So let's just check it out. I went ahead and I charged it up. It is a nice, it's got a nice display on it. I really do like the color as well. It stands out, it's nice and bright, very easy to see. So it does come with the actual laser distance meter. Comes with a nice case. Comes with some instructions on how to do all the different types of measurements. It's got really good pictures in there. So really easy to use, and it comes with a charge cable. So this guy's super nice. Right now I have my setting is set right for up and down, you know, so either direction that you want to go. So you can see, I don't know if you can see that laser back there on my toolbox. So this has got double-ended laser. So this will actually give me the measurement of my roof right here, which is 21.774 feet. It's a really tall ceiling inside of this shop. What's kind of neat is it's going to tell me I'm 4.429 feet off of the ground when I took that measurement. So it tells you right where the tool is. If I put it down here and redo my measurement, I was 3.67 feet off the ground. So it tells you exactly where you are. It's just kind of neat. It's also got this on the top, which gives you the degree. So straight up and down, we're going to be right at 90 degrees. If we're laying flat, we're going to be straight at 0 degrees. All right, so for this demonstration to get square footage, I'm just going to pretend like this wall goes straight across, and then this is my area that I'm trying to get square footage over. I'm going to take my measuring device. I'll go ahead and I'll put it against the wall, pretend like this is against the wall. 9.32 feet that way, and then you can see your laser shooting all the way down to the end of the room. So 15 feet that direction, which gives me 141 square feet inside of this, so you can get your square footage. Super easy. That's way easier than putting down a tape measure, going side to side and trying to figure it out. So this guy is nice. I mean, I can see how far I am to that wall with the push of a button. 15.29 feet. So if this is something that'll benefit you to get square footage, volume, I imagine volume would be like for your air conditioning guys. See how much space is inside of the room, how much space you need to cool down, or your heating guys. Does volume, square footage, data recording, so you can take selectable or a whole bunch of different measurements together and have them stored, and they'll be right there at your fingertips to re-access when you're ready to. Pick one up today, click on the link below. Thanks guys.